Hi, I'm Erin Jeanne McDowell, and this is Happy Baking. I fell in love with baking as a little girl. Got my first job in a bakery at 16 and went to pastry school to learn everything I could. I find so much joy, comfort, and creativity in the kitchen, and I really want to help others find the same. I've been nicknamed a real-life sugar plum fairy, the fairy godmother of baking, and some people even call me the queen of pie. It's a chocolate cream pie! To date, I've written 3 cookbooks: The Fearless Baker, The Book on Pie, and Savory Baking. You can find my baking videos all over the internet. You can even catch me as a baking coach on the Big Nailed It Baking Challenge on Netflix. I try to go a step beyond writing recipes that tell you how to bake something and dive into exactly why it works. This includes showing you where things could go wrong, how to troubleshoot common mistakes, and my favorite part, how to get creative in the kitchen and make your bakes your own. Serving up all the hottest pie tips for single and double crust pies. This channel is my chance to let you into my buttery, sugary world. Here, you'll find step-by-step tutorials, tasty recipes galore, behind the scenes and sneak peeks on all my projects, plus so much more. Along the way, you'll meet my family, friends, and my best buddy Brimley, a 30-pound vacuum cleaner Westie hybrid. Even if you don't like baking, stick around. I bet I can get you to change your mind. And if you already love to bake, I really hope we can be friends. I'd love to have you join this sweet community of happy bakers.